DC generator testing SP210EL type sound. Here is 1.5 HP DC generator and 1 HP DC 1.5 HP DC motor and 1 HP DC generator. In this device we can test the various speed control of DC sound motor and characteristic of DC sound generator. Here we can run two type of test in sound motor: speed control of DC motor by armature control voltage control method, and another is speed control of DC sound motor by field current control. First of all, we connect the DC sound motor test by this way. Here is 1.5 HP DC sound motor. It has around 6 to 7 ampere current rating. So we need to set the power supply. We need to choose the armature power supply 8 ampere DC. Do not apply 4 ampere DC. So here we have to identify first the knob of the output. Rotate this toward the 0 point. You have to first identify to this, and another way then we can start the connection diagram without opening your power supply. Do not open first this MCB. First you connect the first the 0 to 8 ampere output DC high first voltmeter to parallel, and voltmeter to ammeter, and ammeter to armature first, and ground terminal of armature is connect to AA- to a negative terminal. And if you want to control the voltage of DC sound motor by voltage control, speed of sound motor by voltage control, you can directly apply the 220 volt DC out directly, but I am going to run two practical at same time. That's why I have applied variable DC voltage to armature of DC sound motor. Okay, here is negative of DC ammeter direct to field, and field negative terminal is connected directly to field. First of all, we remove this terminal and also remove this terminal to set the DC volt how much we apply. That should be